Sir, may nagsampa na po ng impeachment complaint against Vice President Leni Robredo.
I won't allow. I won't.
Do you think, sir, may basihan po para ma-impeach nga po siya? What are your thoughts po?
Look, we just had an election. Guys, lay off. Let's stop it. Can do other things, but do not tinker with the structure of government. I will not countenance it. Elected yung tao. So, why do you have to sit just because it keeps on harping on me? Yeah, this is a democracy. It's freedom of speech. Wala naman, there is no or there are no overt acts. Kakatapos lang ng eleksyon, bakit mo sirayan bayan? Okay, ako, alay mo ako, baka hindi na ako magising bukas sa bangungot, okay na. Siya naman, pero you create trouble na po. Ayaw yung military kasi ayaw nila hindi naman tamad, pero bakit magdagdagan yung problema nila? Pati police. Who will keep order in this country, kundi sila. Ngayon magsabi lang, hindi lang natin magsabi lang, ang mga to gusto ng gulo. Gusto talaga ng basagan ng ulo. Maganda na nga ang buhay kakatapos lang ng eleksyon. This is a democracy. Leaders are elected. If you don't have to be a son of a it's still the people's choice. Remember that.
Sir, sorry.